Paxlovid, nirmatrelvir/ritonavir, is an oral antiviral treatment for people diagnosed with mild to moderate COVID-19 who are at high risk of developing severe illness. The full treatment lasts 5 days, and it's critical to start taking it as soon as symptoms begin, ideally within 5 days of symptom onset, for maximum effectiveness. Who should use Paxlovid? Paxlovid is authorized for use in individuals aged 12 and older, weighing over 88 pounds, who are at risk of progressing to severe COVID-19. As of May 2023, it is fully FDA approved for adults and remains under Emergency Use Authorization, EUA, for teens ages 12 to 18. How Paxlovid works. This medication is a combination of 2 drugs. Nirmatrelvir, which blocks a viral enzyme needed for replication. Ritonavir, which boosts the effectiveness of nirmatrelvir by slowing its breakdown in the body. Together, they reduce the virus's ability to spread in your system. Common side effects: changes in taste, diarrhea. Other possible side effects: muscle pain, headache, high blood pressure. Serious side effects: seek medical attention immediately. Severe allergic reaction, trouble breathing, rash, swelling of the face or throat. Liver problems, dark urine, yellow skin or eyes, stomach pain. Important usage tips: do not share your medication even if others have similar symptoms. Use backup birth control during treatment if you or your partner is on hormonal birth control. Paxlovid can interfere with its effectiveness. Continue using backup contraception until you complete 1 full menstrual cycle after treatment ends. If the bitter taste bothers you, try gum or cinnamon candies to ease it. Monitor your symptoms. If they worsen or you have trouble breathing, chest pain, confusion or bluish skin, seek emergency medical care. Knowing how to use Paxlovid nirmatrelvir/ritonavir correctly ensures the best possible outcome during COVID-19 treatment. Always follow your healthcare provider's instructions and complete the full course for effective recovery. Using Paxlovid nirmatrelvir/ritonavir correctly is essential to reduce the risk of severe COVID-19 complications and help stop the spread of the virus. This treatment must be started within 5 days of the onset of symptoms, even if those symptoms are mild. Recommended dosage. For most adults, take 300 mg of nirmatrelvir, 2 150 mg tablets, with 100 mg of ritonavir, 1 100 mg tablet. All 3 tablets should be taken together orally twice daily, once in the morning and once at bedtime. Continue this dosage for 5 days. Paxlovid is a co-packaged treatment, meaning nirmatrelvir and ritonavir come in the same pack. There are different dose packs depending on kidney function. Standard dose: 300 mg nirmatrelvir plus 100 mg ritonavir. Moderate renal impairment: 150 mg nirmatrelvir plus 100 mg ritonavir. Severe renal impairment: 300 mg nirmatrelvir plus 100 mg ritonavir on day 1, then 150 mg nirmatrelvir plus 100 mg ritonavir on days 2 to 5. Nirmatrelvir must always be taken with ritonavir. Taking nirmatrelvir without ritonavir can result in levels too low to be effective. Important administration instructions: take with or without food. Swallow tablets whole. Do not chew, crush or split them. Start the full 5-day course as soon as possible after COVID-19 diagnosis. If hospitalized due to COVID-19 after starting treatment, patients may still complete the 5-day course, as directed by a healthcare provider. Missed dose instructions. If you miss a dose and it's within 8 hours of the usual time, take it as soon as possible. If it's been more than 8 hours, skip the missed dose and take the next one at the scheduled time. Do not take 2 doses at once to make up for a missed dose. Additional guidance. Finish all 5 days of treatment, even if symptoms improve before then. Continue to follow public health isolation guidelines to prevent spreading the virus. The prescription should clearly list the exact dosage of each component, nirmatrelvir and ritonavir. Always take Paxlovid exactly as prescribed and directed by your healthcare provider. Understanding how to use Paxlovid nirmatrelvir/ritonavir correctly helps ensure the treatment works effectively, reduces the risk of complications, and supports recovery.